I already ironed her uniform. I just finished. So now I can just do this. Hold on. I don't know why it's dark in here. Your eyes so beautiful. Thank you so much, Dwayne. Sorry. Thank you so much, Dwayne. I hope you have a good day, Dwayne. What are you referring in the sky? Flossing your teeth. Flossing your teeth. Flossing your teeth. I haven't brushed my teeth, okay? Okay. I got up very early in the morning and I was talking to a friend very early in the morning and then I wake up my niece and then my niece took a shower and then I ironed her uniform and I have my niece open the store for me while I'm ironing my uniform while she's waiting. So, anyway, yeah, that's the thing. And then maybe I have to. It's time for me to wash. Sorry, sorry for the dark. Sorry for the dark, guys. Sorry for the dark thing. Yeah, there's my niece. So actually, it is not dark. Just this phone, it looks dark, right? So where are we? So I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes. Then I have to go because I have to bring my niece to the corner. I have to bring my niece to the corner and so she can take a tricycle going to school. Flushing, flushing your teeth or beating the cotton. Beating the cotton. What's that means? Kate Binfield. Okay. Warainon living in Norway. Hello. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I got up around 3:30 this morning, so we don't have to hurry because I have my alarm clock rang at 3:30 in the morning. So, Kate Binfield, the sewing cotton. Oh, the sewing cotton. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm trying to the thread. Is that what you're talking about? The thread. So my niece is about to go. Are you ready? It's not so early. Cannot go right now. I'm going. Yeah. You're going very early this morning. Okay. Um, Shout out six are watching right now. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Philippines. Good good afternoon. Good afternoon to and good evening from other countries. So now I am gonna wash my face because my face is like oily right now. Uh huh. And I'm getting so dark in here. I don't know if you can see me, but there are some dishes that needs to be done, but I can do it later. I have to wash my face first.